INOX is a leading manufacturer of sliding door locks. These innovative mechanical and electrified solutions provide secure locking mechanisms and attractive lever trims for spaces such as commercial offices, medical facilities, hospitality, retail, and mixed-use spaces. INOX invented the world's first privacy barn door lock. This lock can be surface-mounted on or concealed in the door jamb. An ADA-compliant thumb turn engages the deadbolt from the jamb to the door for enhanced privacy. A concealed dust-proof strike inside the door incorporates an emergency release pinhole for additional safety. Pocket doors enhance interior spaces with their beautiful design and ingenious construction. INOX PD8000 pairs with flush pulls and surface pulls to offer functions including privacy, entrance, or passage. Our distinctive PD2000 twist lock privacy pocket door lock features designer INOX trims and an innovative spring-loaded edge pull that doubles as the locking bolt. INOX is the industry leader in sliding door mortise locks. The PD95 became a commercial design standard with a patented winged deadbolt that prevents binding for smooth operation. Single-action emergency egress is always available from the inside lever. The PD95 can also be installed with a surface-mounted wall strike when there is no frame to secure the deadbolt. The PD96 self-latching, self-locking mortise revolutionized sliding door locks by including all major commercial functions that were previously available only with swing door locks. This lock includes a built-in actuator button that triggers the deadbolt into the strike when the door is closed. A quiet bolt version of the PD96 was developed for healthcare applications where a sharp, sudden sound could trigger PTSD or autism patients. When the actuator button is depressed, the deadbolt glides into the thrown position in a quiet operation that minimizes traumatic reactions in susceptible patients. The PD97 series offers commercial-grade electrified sliding door locking solutions. Groundbreaking engineering allows low-voltage power to transfer directly from the strike to the lock faceplate. This revolutionary design eliminates the need for drilling to facilitate a wire chase through the door, resulting in fast and easy installation. The motorized deadbolt supports touchless opening solutions when paired with an auto operator. This fail-secure solution also includes mechanical key override and operation by thumb turn. Auto latching and auto locking functions are available with a built-in door position sensor, and deadbolt monitoring and request to exit are available as additional security options. PD97 sliding door locks can be integrated with any existing or extended access control, making them a great solution for healthcare, institutional, commercial, and retail spaces.